Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The Renko with volume and time in the box indicator was developed by David Weiss, authority on Wyckoff method. This indicator functions by bringing out the potential of the Wyckoff method, and it only works exactly in the Renko chart. To apply this trading indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword numbers Renko. Here's the indicator by Akatsusho. Before I show you how this trading indicator works in the market, I need to educate you about this indicator parameter settings and functions. Selecting the Settings option will pop up the indicator parameter settings. Simply right-click on the indicator, navigate to the Settings option, and click to pop up this indicator settings option. Here are the parameter settings. Under the Input settings, there's the font size. This is used to make a good-looking volume number. The volume divisor. You can set 100. When volume is 0.056, then 0.056 is multiplied by 100, which is equal to 5.6. 6 is plotted in the box. Decimals are rounded off. Show only large Renko volume. Show Renko time. Time divisor. EMA period for calculation. The y-axis spacing. Under the numbers Renko coloring. The numbers in the box are color-coded by comparing the current Renko volume with the average Renko volume. If the current Renko volume is 2 times larger than the average Renko volume, then color 2 will be used. If the current Renko volume is 1.5 times larger than the average Renko volume, then color 1.5 will be used. Color 1 if the current Renko volume is larger than the average Renko volume. Then color 0.5 is larger than half of the Renko volume, and color 0 is less than or equal to half the average Renko volume. Color 1, color 1.5, and color 2 are large values, so only these colored numbers are shown when using the Show Only option. These are the default Renko volume-based color coding. You can choose any color coding of your choice. Therefore, you can use 2 types of coloring at the same time. Also, the candle body, border, and wick colors are Renko time-based. Under the Weiss wave volume, there's the show effort versus result, no result ratio, show comparison marks, large volume ratio. For an easy understanding of how this trading indicator works, let us study the daily chart of the USD Canadian dollars here. The indicator has green figures, red figures, white figures, yellow figures, and yellow square boxes are displayed on the price chart. The green figures signify bullish sentiment. The red figures signify a bearish sentiment. The yellow figures and square boxes signify a potential point of reversals or pullback in the market. To generate buy and sell signals with this trading indicator, we need to study the values between the red, green, and yellow figures. To generate a buy setup, the green figure value must be higher than the red figure values. As we can see at the bearish low swing here, after the yellow figure value popped up here, the bearish trend switched into a bullish trend. The last red figures at the lower low swing here were 13624, and the last green figures here were 8462. After the square box popped up here, the market made a bearish swing, and a red figure value of 14273 was formed. Later, price proceeded upward, and the green figure value of 23316 was formed. 23316 is bigger than 14273 there. This signifies a bullish setup. The information of the second square box here gave the confirmation of the buy setup. The repetition of higher green figure values signifies the continuity of the bullish trend. This signifies traders can keep adding to their long position. To generate a sell setup with this trading indicator, watch out for the formation of a square box that will signal a bearish pullback or reversal of a bullish trend. Once this is formed on the chart, the next step is to watch out for the decrease in the green figure values above price. The confirmation of the bearish setup would be confirmed once the lower red figure value is higher than the green figure values that popped up above the price. As we can see at this higher high swing here, after the formation of a square box, the first green figure value was 2785, and the next green figure value turned out to be 1752. The lower red figure value turned 6364. 6364 is higher than 2785 and 1752. This, therefore, signals the time to sell in this market. Whenever the yellow figure value or square box appears on the trading chart, it's advisable for traders to close their sell or buy positions because the market is ready to make a potential price reversal or pullback. Alternatively, traders can trail their trade in the direction of their market anticipation.